Welcome back, everyone. Not gonna lie, I think I might be selling some more Pi coins. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, I'll show how I swapped my Pi coins at a higher price. So I used Telegram, and here's how I did it. First, search for Binance bot. Gotta correct that. Hit on the start button. Click here. Make sure to keep your 12 phrase keys safe. I logged into my account. Alright guys, I'm in my account now. Check the current price of Pi coin here. My balance is currently at 0. So click on deposit. I'll be topping up my account with some Pi coins. I'll copy my account's wallet address and open my Pi browser. Today, I'll be selling 650 Pi coins. Okay, so I'll log in into my account with my C phrase. Guys, please do not share your phrase key with anyone. For your own safety, I strongly advise against it. Great, so I'll click on Pay. Manually add. Then I proceed to paste my wallet address. Put the amount. 650 Pi. Please like and subscribe. Click Send and confirm it. Confirm. Great. I'll head back to Telegram. Alright, let's see the balance now. Okay guys, I've received it. That took quite some time, but it always arrives. So, I'll click on Pi, and then click on Convert. I'll enter 650 Pi coins. Click on Confirm. Awesome. So I've received it in my wallet now. My Pi coins have been converted. I can also withdraw to any other wallet I choose. To withdraw my USDT, click on Withdraw. Go to Trust Wallet. Then, I'll copy my Trust Wallet Bitcoin address. Enter my wallet address. And then enter the amount I want. I've got about 2,700 euros here. Awesome. My withdrawal has been approved. So, in a few minutes it will arrive. Okay, let's refresh. Please ensure to like and subscribe, guys.